Yeah, welcome again. This is Kashif Mirza, your business coach, life coach, and motivator. Today's my topic is mind control. So many people they need it. How to control your mind, how to stay motivated in tough times. So this is our today's topic. Okay, tell me one thing. How would you like to live your life? By default or by design? See, whenever you buy a cell phone, okay, so it is set to by default, and then you start designing. Means you design the home screen, you design the lock screen, you design the apps, you design the keyboard. Means you design your mobile as per your convenience, as where you are comfortable. You design. So it means you need and you have to design your life. It should not be by default. It should be by design actually. So. Okay, so the thing is that so far the criticism is painful to the givers. They have right to give constructive criticism. But the moment criticism becomes a pleasure to the givers, they have no more right to criticize. That is statistic behavior. Anyways, our topic now is going to start with a short story. Once a young unhappy man, angry man visited an old master and said that actually I'm referred to you by one of my friends, okay, and I wanted to discuss some of my problems with you. Would you be able to solve those problems? So old master said, okay, no problem, tell me your issues, so I will try my best to solve your problems. So the angry man said, the unhappy man said, can't you judge, from my face that I'm not happy? Yes, I can see you are not happy, even you are very stressed. Yes, that's what actually I wanted to tell you, that I'm so much stressed because of the people around me, because of the circumstances around me. So everyone is saying that you are a failure, you cannot do this one, you cannot, give a good lifestyle to your family also. So after listening these things from years, okay, so now today actually in the morning I have decided to commit suicide, but one of my friends said that meet you. So will you be able to solve my problem today? The old man said, yeah, I will be able, okay. So just wait a moment. The old master went inside the room and came back with a small bag. Now this, the unhappy young man, he said to unhappy young man, okay, come with me. So the young man said, no, where would you like to take me? He said, just come with me. We will go to open air because this is a house, okay. So I feel that we will go out and I can give you some good piece of advice. The young man said, okay, no problem. I'm here only for the solution if you can help me. Yes, just come with me. Both walked and nearby old master's house, there was a lake. So when they reached the lake, so the old master said to the young man, okay, the old master took out one glass and said, okay, fill this glass from the water of the lake, okay, and give it to me. So the man did so. He filled the glass from the water, from the lake water, and gave it to the old master. Okay. Now he took out one more pouch from that bag and said, okay, put a handful of salt. There was a salt in that pouch. Take a handful of salt, okay, and put it into the glass of water. The man did so, and then the old master said to young man, that unhappy young man, okay, drink it now. He started drinking. Just he took 2 or 3 sips and said, no, it's awful. It's very bitter taste, very bad. It's very difficult for me to drink. He said, okay, continue drinking. Try one more time. He just took 1 sip hardly and then said, no, sorry, I can't drink it. And then he even threw the water, threw the glass and threw the water also. Now the old man laughed. And the young man, you are laughing at me. No, I'm not laughing at you. Just give me a minute, okay. Now he said, okay, take a handful of salt again and put it in this lake from where you took the water for your glass before. Okay, the angry young man said, okay, no problem. He just put a handful of salt, okay, and then put it in the lake. Now the old master said, okay, Now drink the water from the lake directly. The man said, okay, no worries, I will do this also. Okay, as soon as his chin touched the water and he started drinking the water, the old master said, okay, stand up. He stood up. The old master said, okay, how was the water? The young man said, yes, very good. Taste was good. Okay. Do you feel the taste of salt? He said, no. The old man said, but just now you put the handful of salt, okay, in the lake. Yes, I put, but you see, the lake is very big. Okay, so I cannot feel any, taste of the salt, okay, in this, in this water which I drank just now. So the old man said, okay, but just before, a couple of minutes ago, you put the same handful of salt in the glass of water, but you were unable to drink. Yes, because the glass was small and the lake is big. So that's why this is the difference. Now, the old master smiled, sat down beside the young man, put his hand in his hand, and then said, the pain of life is pure salt. I repeat, the pain of life is pure salt. No more, no less. The amount of pain in our life remains the same, exactly the same for everyone. But the amount we feel the pain depends on the container we put it into. So stop being a glass, become a lake. So when you are in pain, just do one thing, to enlarge your sense of thing, to broaden your mind, to control your mind that time, okay? To broaden your mind, become a lake, not become a glass, as I told you. There are so many wrong beliefs. Okay, we are not living our lives, sir. We are not living our lives, okay? Our patterns and our beliefs are living our lives. We are not living our life. You think you are living your life. Our pattern and our beliefs are living our lives. Once you leave your pattern means if there are, if these are not the good pattern. If you leave today the bad patterns, the wrong beliefs, you will feel now that life, there are so many things to do in the life. There are so many things to do in the life. Please enlarge your sense of things, broaden your mind, okay? People will always be there, near you, in your surroundings, okay? Give you negative remarks. Whenever you will start some, new efforts, some new business, some new work, some new jobs, anything new, okay? If you are happy, they will start criticizing. As I told you in the beginning, okay, the world has plenty of critics, right? This time, at the moment, the world has plenty of critics, plenty of criticizers are there. Today, I am here to motivate you. I am telling you, in my last presentation, in triple filter test, I have told you that time also that everyone is genius, okay? You are genius, I am genius, everyone is genius. We need to explore our abilities. Once you will be able, okay, so the mind control is the best, is the biggest asset of our body. Biggest asset of our body. If it is spoiled, you are spoiled. If you are spoiled, your family is spoiled. Because if the leader is not good, so what family will do? If the leader is good, family will enjoy. You don't want to give enjoyment to your family? Of course you want. Okay, so please, from today, just stop sitting with the people who are giving you negative remarks, who are just discouraging you on all of your effort. Just pick up associates, as I told you, whose behavior, education, qualification, experience, okay, and everything are far better than you. One day will come, you will become like them. It is natural thing. So whenever you want to do something good, okay, so you have to think uncommon. If commonly you are thinking, okay, someone will say, okay, something happened there, in the news they are telling something happened, okay, you are believing, because you don't have choice. Design your life. Just get out from these things, okay, and start living a new life, like a new birth. Anyways, I have told you, just how to control your mind, okay, how to, that the story of that man which I have told you in the beginning, okay, that when he drank the water from the lake, he said, okay, no, I did not feel any salt because the container is big. Just see. I'm repeating again. The amount of pain in life remains the same, exactly the same for everyone. But it depends. But the amount of pain we taste depends on the container we put that pain. So this is the thing. So don't trust everything. Even salt looks like sugar. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll be back with a new topic soon. Thank you so much.